I'm going to talk about a little trick. I've got this 𝗕𝗏𝗡. I have a broken plug here. Right now it's about 3% of the battery. It's going to die really soon. As I don't want to get a heat gun, it's just a USB cable. I ripped the other side of the cable, which I don't use it anymore. Then I did this, which is a little bit sloppy, I know. So what I've done here is I chopped the cable and I remove the green and the white cables, which I think you cannot see, but they are there. So I covered it with a little bit of tape, electrical tape, and then as you can see here, I get some pieces from the clip, and then I solder the red and the black. You know that red is the positive and black is the negative. So let me zoom in. You can see which are the poles of the battery. As you can see, at the right side is the positive and on the left side is the negative. So let me put this out of the way. And so the thing is, if I just let this cable here, as you can see, the battery moves. So I use this piece of scrap wood that I have around here, and the thing is, I try to use it as a stand or to make some pressure, with the battery. So I hold it this way, and now if I push it, it doesn't move, you can see. And with another piece of wood, well, in fact this one is the bigger one, so I use it to hold the cable like this. So right now it just moves when I push really hard. So the other thing is put this in front of this stand, it's a guitar stand, and now I try to carefully, considering which is the red and the black cables and where I need to put them, I try to push from this little square which does conduct the electricity. Okay, more or less like that. So as you can see right now, I've got the cable unplugged. Okay, so the thing is, I carefully, without moving the other side, which is touching the battery, I plug this into the charger, and so I have this piece of wood which is pushing the cable to the floor, and the other one is just holding the battery to prevent from moves, and is the cable which goes to the charger. Okay, the thing is, as my charger don't has any kind of LED or something to show me if it's working or not, I have to wait and touch the surface. When it gets warm, I know that it's really working, so I need to wait something like from 5 to 10 minutes. So what I use is this chronometer, and then I just start to measure the time, and 5 minutes later I will check if it's getting hot or not. And if it's not getting hot, I will try to push the cables again until it works, until I feel that it's getting hot. For me, it's enough, and I don't want to get a heat gun or to pay 30 euros to get fixed this old crappy smartphone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for my bad English, but it's been a long time since the last time I spoke in English, and yeah, I'm a little bit rusty, so sorry for that. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give me a comment, or yeah, a thumbs up. It's welcome also. So cheers.